What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I thought I was gonna do a voiceover with this particular mountain road recording I did, and I was gonna upload another video talking about the bike and my further impressions so far, since I've now reached about 750 kilometers on it. I'm starting to get a lot more comfortable going into tight corners and getting my knee down, so I'm feeling a lot more secure. We had a day trip to a place called Speicher. It's a fantastic place out of Munich. You can see it at the beginning of the video where all the bikers gather. It's pretty crazy. And since this is pretty much the first nice day of the year, so many people showed up. It was great to see all the different bikes and people sharing their hobby. Anyway, about the bike. There are a lot of things I like and some I dislike. I love the feel of it, the sporty position and the linear power band, the sound, the look, you know. The bike does vibrate at higher than 6k RPM, which is weird because that's pretty much where your torque even begins. So since the 4-cylinder wants to be at higher revs, you're gonna feel a lot of vibration if you ride in lower gears. I prefer to go higher gears if I'm cruising, much more of a smooth experience that way. The one thing I also noticed is that the clutch sometimes responds late. My SV650 had a near instantaneous clutch response and would just shoot straight ahead with the power of the V2. The CBR doesn't really do that. It's a bike that's meant to obviously ride fast, but not abruptly. Like, you're not supposed to go, 0 to 100 in like 3 seconds. It might feel a lot better with the quick shifter, but I wanted to learn to ride the bike fully before I upgrade to that, since I don't want to rely on technology when it comes to my riding skills. And I'm still getting used to shifting properly and rev matching, of course. The trip we took today led us through this beautiful mountain pass, which does have a fee of €6, but it's honestly worth it. Very little traffic and awesome twisties. A couple of things I definitely hope Honda integrates, like water or oil temperatures in a dash, music display in the road sync info, like what song is playing, or maybe like being able to manage your playlist. You pretty much have no idea what you're even selecting. For example, like the favorites menu in the navigation, it just says 1, 2, or 3. If you're unsure about what you placed in which position, you have no idea what you're even selecting. There could be a lot more info. I don't know why they're not showing it. The fuel efficiency module is super useless because it caps at 4 and you have to click through certain menus to even figure out where your actual efficiency is. And I do like to see my efficiency from time to time. Small gripes, but overall I'm incredibly happy with the bike. Installing the license plate holder was a huge hassle. It was super annoying, but it turned out nicely. And I still have to fix the LED on it, but then it's pretty much perfect. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the twisties in this video. I'll leave you to that and a new camera as well. We broke the 200 subscribers in about a week and a half after my first post, which is so crazy, and I want to thank you all for that. As always, feedback is appreciated, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you had a good time.